Are you that person who is looking to become a data scientist but don't know where to start from? Before anything, it's important you know what exactly data science is, and that is why I am here to tell you about it. Data science is the science of data. It is related to fetch the data, store the data, clean the data, and analyze the data to draw some insights to help business grow. Actually, data science is not a particular subject, but it is the combination of different mathematical disciplines. For example, probability, linear algebra, differentiation. Apart from that, the knowledge of tools and a bit knowledge of programming languages such as Python, R, and the analysis tools, Excel, and visualization tools such as Power BI and Tableau. When we use all of them to generate some result to solve a business problem, the whole process becomes data science. Did you find data science interesting? Then we have the best course that can help you develop your abilities and skills that are relevant for your future career. Advance your career with a domain specific data science program with LearnBay today. Thank you so much.